Welcome to PEIK time. Today we're going to make a big Oreo. Okay guys? Made of wood. Okay? Let's go. This is what we need. A saw and some spray paint, a texture, and some sandpaper. Now let's get into it. The first step is to use this compass. Okay, it's now you can see it's hard. Now we're going to copy this one. So it's hard to see, you can see. So I'm just gonna draw it like that one. That's what we did. So let's just get into it. I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about. Now, this is a bit dangerous for me in kids like me. So you need to get your mom or your dad to help you. Now, let's just ask my dad. Hey, Dad.
Yes?
Can you help me do this? I'm doing a YouTube video.
Okay, so now we need to cut out these circles.
Yeah, safety first. Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. Okay, now we have some sandpaper. There's some rough edges we need to sand like Now let's get into painting! So, white in the middle. I don't know if I'm going to do brown in black or just brown or just black. So let's just test. Let's just get into it. Here we go outside! Yay! Oh, sorry. Now you fold it a lot and then you cut. And then it might actually look like this if you do the same pattern. I'm trying to open it. It actually might look like this. Okay, so we're going to actually make, okay, you know this. So we're just gonna pop this on top. If you like, you can actually pop them together like a hot one, like glue. But I'm not. I'm gonna keep them separate because I can play with them. So the first thing is to do that. Okay, I'm just gonna. The last piece, what we're doing, to write Oreo.
O.
Okay.
R. E. O.
Okay. So, guys, let's try to aim up for 10,000 thumbs up. Okay?